Okay, so how to meditate first? So as I told you, the essence of meditation is awareness, right? So do you know awareness? So how many of you know awareness? Raise your hand. And how many of you don't know awareness? Raise your hand. Okay. And how many of you, maybe I know, maybe I don't know, raise your hand. Okay. Actually, I think you all know awareness. Should I give you an exam or not? Yes? So those who says, I know awareness, of course you know. So you pass. and those who says, I don't know awareness, do you know you don't know awareness or no? Those who raise your hand saying that I don't know awareness, right? So do you know that you don't know awareness? Yeah, that's the awareness. So if you know you don't know awareness, and that is the awareness. So those who says, I don't know awareness, meaning you know awareness. So you also pass. And those who says, maybe I know, maybe I don't know, right? Not sure. Do you know you're not sure? If you know you're not sure, so there's also awareness. So you also pass. So actually, all of you pass. So congratulations. So now, no? Awareness, essence of meditation. What is essence of meditation? Awareness. And you know awareness, right? Those who know awareness, you know awareness. Those who don't know awareness, you know awareness. Those who not sure, you know awareness. So as I mentioned before, awareness is like space, isn't it? The space cannot be changed by cloud. Beautiful cloud, ugly cloud, dark, bright, it doesn't change. It's always there. So now you prove that. The awareness is always there. Whether you know, whether you don't know, whether you doubt, whether you're not sure. It doesn't change awareness. So awareness always present, always there, and always pure. So therefore, for the meditation, it doesn't matter. Good feeling, like blue sky with sun shining. Or it doesn't make any obscure by bad feeling, like snowstorm. Or doesn't change like mixed temperature, like doubt. So they all are in awareness. Okay? Okay, so now the problem is, we have one big problem. So the problem is, should I tell you the problem? Or you want to find problem by yourself, or should I tell you? If you find by yourself, it's better actually. Quite difficult, but it will stay with you. But if I tell you, you understand, then after a while you forget. So which one better? You want to find by yourself, or should I tell you? So if I tell you, raise your hand. Okay, if you want to find by yourself, raise your hand. Okay, more want to find by yourself. Okay, good. So for that, I will give you 5 minutes of discussion time. Not now. So the discussion topic is essence of meditation. What is the essence of meditation? awareness. So what is awareness? Just like space, right? For the experiential wise, awareness meaning knowing. You know what you're thinking, what you're feeling, what you are doing, what you are seeing, what you are hearing. So just knowing, pure knowing. So there's awareness. So you all have awareness all the time. Before you learn meditation, you have awareness, right? So the essence of meditation is awareness. And awareness with you all the time. So now the big problem is, then why you have to come here to learn meditation? Yeah, that's the discussion topic. You have awareness all the time. Then why I have to learn this awareness? I mean the meditation. Meditation is the essence of awareness. Then awareness with me all the times. Then what's the point? So what things change after learning meditation? I have awareness all the time. So what meditation makes something change? Right? So that's the discussion topic, and you have to discuss this for 5 minutes. And you can start. 2 people, 3 people, doesn't matter, okay? You can talk to strangers, no problem. Don't be shy.